You've invested in your assets, processes, and systems on a massive scale to manage your risk around safety, financial, and environmental events, which means hundreds of thousands of assets are producing extraordinary amounts of data from a multitude of departments, systems, and work streams, all with their own specific purpose around managing those assets. You need the ability to know what all that data means, which information is key to the health of your assets, and which assets and systems are most critical to your business. Most importantly, you need an intelligent strategy to manage it all. Asset Performance Management from GE Digital uses intelligent asset strategies to answer the questions that spreadsheets, ERP, EAM, and historian systems can't, like how critical is the asset to meeting business objectives? What's the consequence of this asset failing and the effect on related assets? What are the ways this asset can fail, and how do I mitigate the failure risk? Finally, how can I ultimately automate and evergreen this process? Take, for example, a pump. It has millions of bits of data from various sources. It has an engineering design which establishes expectations for performance and functionality. It has temperatures, pressures, vibrations, and other operational conditions that indicate asset health. It has maintenance and inspection data that documents historical activity and performance. And it has compliance information and records that ensure regulatory requirements are addressed. The key is to bring this disparate data together to a single dynamic system with context. By connecting dozens of systems and eliminating hundreds of point solutions and thousands of spreadsheets, you'll have a better understanding of what the risk is by using that risk definition in APM. Automatically derive what should be done to prevent failures and ultimately lowers risk, increases availability, and optimizes cost per pump. And that's just one asset. Imagine if you could take that asset strategy, apply it, automate it for 20,000, 200,000, even 2 million assets across an enterprise. Think what sort of impact that could have financially and in terms of the company's overall risk profile. Unlike paper-based strategies, truly intelligent asset strategies constantly monitor and analyze asset condition data, enabling management by exception, and create and automate actions and strategies to improve performance and mitigate risk. How intelligent are the strategies you're using to manage asset performance? We're working closely with the largest industrial asset-intensive companies in the world, and Asset Performance Management was built on an innovative platform to improve asset availability by 2 to 6%, reduce production losses by 30 to 40%, and lower long-term incident costs by 10 to 20%. This is an intelligent asset strategy, and this is Asset Performance Management.
As digital intelligence becomes part of our ability to comprehend and problem solve in very complex systems, our capacity to adapt to our environment increases significantly. Our solutions eliminate waste and create value by obtaining a better understanding of structural variability in the ore body and enables more complete, timely, and integrated information to improve operational decision-making that triggers immediate coordinated action. The result: a step change in operational performance and consistent business outcomes. Conditional fluctuations influence the ability to work according to a plan, and the conventional replanning process dealing with unforeseen incidents and exceptions is a cumbersome long-term process. Through the digital integration of the ventilation strategy, the geological and rock engineering strategy, financial information, and maintenance scheduling, this difficult process is drastically streamlined. Integrated digital planning enables replanning in a matter of days, permitting the financial management to optimize the budget to an adjusted strategy. The digital process empowers management to make fast and effective changes to plans, offering the capacity to rapidly adapt and generate an integrated blueprint that considers multiple scenarios. This is achieved through the processing and integration of data and indicators across multiple platforms, such as compliance tracking of the execution of the mine plan through real-time geologging, integrated with demand and resource planning and management. Digitized and integrated planning measures performance against the plan with improved availability of assets from integrated maintenance scheduling, resulting in the optimal matching and allocation of resources and equipment. Training and induction processes are linked and integrated with scheduling and reporting. This leads to improved demand-based labor prioritization and allocation. At the heart of integrated planning lies the digital core, which comprises of a spatial model of the ore body and mine plan, integrated with a budget and forecasting platform. Multiple profitability scenarios can be modeled for optimal resource management. Market data, procurement, engineering and workforce planning are integrated with mining and financial plans to provide optimal forecasts. Through our team of field experts at Deloitte, we have developed a comprehensive understanding of the intellectual processes guiding the mine plan, helping you effectively adapt in a constantly changing environment.